MLB DBB number 781, and that is one box of 2020 Topps Chrome Baseball. Teams on the right. Thanks everybody for the fill. Good luck. Here we go. Alright, here we go. Topps Chrome. Gypsy Queen 2020 is posted, guys. We'll see what I get. Good luck. We start out with Freshman Flash, Sheldon Noose. Not numbered for Oakland. We got blue of Corey Seager for the Dodgers, number 2, 150. 4 of 150. Corey Seager. Freshman Flash, Aquino for Cincinnati. We got nice Dustin May for the Dodgers. We got refractor of Sheldon Noose for Oakland. We got Aquino again for the Reds. Nice one. It's not numbered. Chrome. It's a base. We got Honus Wagner. Nice die cut for the Pirates. Honus Wagner die cut. Nice one. It's a regular one. We got Blue Jays, Rowdy Tellez refractor. Next up is John Lester for the Cubs refractor. And Royas, Miguel Royas for Miami. Insert. We got Morejon for the Padres refractor. And Austin Riley. Insert refractor. And we got future star Will Smith for the Dodgers. Next up, we have Arenado for Colorado. Got Max Scherzer for the Nationals refractor. And AJ Puk, Oakland. Insert. And And how about Nico Herner for the Cubs autograph? Cubs with the auto. There's the Cubs in this. Eric. There you go. Not numbered. We got Barrios for the Twins refractor. We got Future Stars, Brandon Rogers for the Rockies. We got insert of Carlos Correa, Astros. Refractor, Future Stars, Laureano for Oakland. And Christian Yelich, Brewers. Nice one. And autograph is Brandon McKay for the Rays. Rays honor autograph. And last one is Willie Adames for Tampa Bay as well. And that does it already for the break. Wow, quick break. That's it, guys. 2 autographs. McKay and Nico Herner. And some parallels. That's it, guys. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. I'm out. Peace.